Glam dolls, I'm here today to share with you all some amazing fragrances I scored by shopping at my local rainbow shops, aka Rainbow Apparel to some. Yes, you know this is about to be a good video when I come through sharing some amazing inspired perfume picks with you. Yes, yes, yes. But look, before I get into the inspired perfumes, I at least want to first share with you my authentic perfumes that I received from Luxury Scent Box. Yes, if you are an official glam doll to this channel, and when I say official, that means a subscribed glam doll, you already know that I've been subscribed to Luxury Scent Box. But for those who might be newbies passing through and you're not familiar with it, Luxury Scent Box is an online subscription-based service which gives you access to a plethora of different authentic perfumes at a fraction of the authentic perfume full-size bottle, because you get to try them out. But before I get into showing them to you, just in case if you're not familiar with Luxury Scent Box, take a look at this. The Luxury Scent Box website, on here it shows you what you will receive as you become a member. You're going to get your travel size bottle, which is a month's supply, and there's no contracts, there's no commitment. This is all month to month, and you can cancel this service at any time without penalty. Also, once you become a member, you're going to choose your scent, create your profile, choose a perfume fragrance of your choice, and you'll get it every single month. Okay, dolls, so now we can get into my Luxury Scent Box picks. I am super excited. So when you receive, your packaging, it comes in a box like this. Already what impressed me about it is the box has a magnetic strip on it. So, your perfumes are going to be pretty much secure. And when you open it, they usually provide you with some instructions on how to open it, which I'm going to show you. They give you information cards about other authentic fragrances that they have available. And then once you get past all that, these are how it's going to look when they arrive. Each perfume is going to come in its own little separate box, just in case you may want to travel with it. So the first one up that I'm going to share with you, this is going to be a good video. I kid you not. I hope y'all got your pen and paper together, because this is going to be a very good video. So when you get it out of this packaging, this is what it's going to look like. It comes in its own carrying case. The case does come in a variety of colors. I believe you can choose your color. I just have mine set for automatic. But anyhow, it comes like this, and to open it, you're going to twist, and then the perfume will rise up, and then you'll be able to, spray as you want to. This size bottle will last you, give or take, about a month, because if you do about 4 sprays a day, it will last you about a month. And this is what it's looking like. Now, to see what the actual perfume looks like, here's what it's looking like when you get it out of its carrying case. And they are interchangeable, which we're going to get into that. So this one is called Jamaica by NATEEVA, which is on this card right here. Very interesting. They did send me information about it. So this is Jamaica by NATEEVA, and oh my god, oh, it smells amazing. I can't wait to spray that one. So that was Jamaica. The next one that I have to share with you, I like to surprise myself, because like I just showed you, you put everything on your calendar and they'll randomly send them to you. Check out another one, same color as the first one, same color, twist to get it open, and you pull it out. This one is Aruba by NATEEVA. Oh, this smells like what's that name? It'll come back to me. This smells incredible. I want to spray it so bad, but I want to smell the rest of them before I commit to anything. See, that's what I love about Luxury Scent Box. You're not committing to a full-size bottle of the authentic fragrance, okay? You're getting the smaller version. That way, if you like it, you can then go and purchase your full-size bottle. I got another pink one, and let me open this one. This one is, ooh, SHAY in Blue by White Peaches, or White Peach. Oh my gosh. Oh, I got some good picks. I was a little skeptical about these fragrances because, I didn't get a chance to smell them in the store, so I wasn't 100% sure at what they would smell like. So this one is a different color. This is an all black case. And I remember I got the 3 pink and I got 1 black. Let me open this one. This was Salt Caramel by SHAY and Blue. Oh, okay, this one is a little heavy. Salt caramel. It does smell like caramel, don't get me wrong. It's a little heavy. So this isn't a summer fragrance. I was kind of thinking that too. But so these are my luxury scent box picks, and each one that I have, I will make sure to list it down in the description box below, as well as the link to luxury scent box, so you will be able to get your hands on some authentic fragrances without the authentic fragrances full bottle price, because this is monthly subscription based services. So, and just to show you how much I am in love with this service, because mind you, every month they send you a fragrance, right? You see I got those. I've been part of luxury scent box. These are all my authentic fragrance picks. Yes, if you want a full video just based on all the authentic fragrances that I did receive from luxury scent box, make sure we thumbs this video up, comment down below, and I will definitely come back and share them with you. So that concludes the luxury scent box, because now it's time for the inspired fragrances from Rainbow Apparel. Woo! I'm so funny. First thing about the box, it's called Kimberly Sweet Cherry. Now this is an inspired Kim Kardashian version, okay? Oh gosh, let me get it out of its packaging. Okay, let's see if Kim K is gonna come all the way through. Oh, it broke! Oh my gosh, okay. All right, the little piece came off. Hold on. Oh my gosh, it broke. Anyhow, it's in the shape of an apple and the little stem broke off. That sucks. Anyway, let's see. This is Kimoji, right? So this is the inspired version to Kimoji Cherry by Kim Kardashian. And oh my gosh, Kim is coming through. Kim Kardashian is coming through. I am not mad at that one. And like I said, this is called Kimberly Sweet Cherry. It is perfume, okay? It's perfume. You get in 3 full ounces, and it looks like this out of its packaging. And this is her, this is the inspired version to her Kimoji, okay? So that's Kimoji right there. The next one I have is called Bliss. All right, Bliss is smelling pretty good. I remember opening this up in the store. Okay, let me get it out of this packaging. This is what the bottle is looking like. So this is the packaging. This is what the bottle is looking like. And this is, oh, this is the inspired version to the Christian Dior Joy. So if you like Christian Dior Joy, you're going to like Bliss. And oh yeah, this smells rich. Yeah. This smells like a whole lot of joy. You're going to be very joyous wearing this one. And let me tell y'all something. When it comes to these perfumes, here's what I discovered. Ain't nobody gonna know you're wearing an inspired or a dupe version of the damn perfume that you got on. Okay, come on now. Let's just be all honest here. Come on, let's keep it honest. Let's keep it 100. I have yet to come across anyone who will smell my perfume and go, oh, that girl, oh, she's wearing the dupe version to Christian Dior Joy. Oh, she's wearing the inspired version. No. If they like it, they'll go, oh, that smells good. You know, what fragrance are you wearing? And depending on how they ask me or who they are, I may go, oh, I got it from Rainbow. It is an inspired version. Or, you know, depending on their temperament, I just may be like, oh, it's Christian Dior Joy. Knowing daggone well, it's Bliss from Rainbow Apparel. That's just me. Anyway, this is the last one I have to share with you all today. This is called CEO VIP, and this is the inspired version of Hugo Boss Her. So if you like Hugo Boss Her, then you're gonna like CEO of VIP. Let me get it out of this package. Oh, this is gorgeous. I love how the bottle looks. Very decorish. Here's the packaging. This is the bottle. I'm loving how these bottles, oh yes. Oh, I'ma smell like a CEO for real, child. Yeah, I smell like I'm a CEO and I need to be up in the VIP. I'm putting this one on today. I'm not playing. Yes, God. Woo! Well, on that note, this is concluding the video, because now I'm gonna be smelling like a CEO in some VIP section today. I'm rocking my Hugo's, the scent by Hugo Boss, but it's really a CEO VIP. Like I said, depends on who asks me. That's what I'll be saying I'm wearing. And this concludes the video. Now, like I said, if you're a glam doll and you're not interested in the inspired dupe versions of the perfumes and you prefer the authentic versions, don't forget to check out Luxury Scent Box, which I will have all that information linked down in the description box below. For a small fee a month, you honestly do get to have the actual authentic version of perfumes without the authentic version price of the perfumes, okay? Because they're going to give you enough to last you about a good month. And every month, you'll be able to get an additional scent, or you can get more than one scent at a time. But that's up to you. So that will be down in the description box below. And just in case, you're honestly going to be able to use this discount code right here, and that'll net you, I believe, about 35% off on your very first month, okay? On your first month, you're going to have an incredible savings on your first month, and then that discount code will help you. I share the discount code with you. It's not an affiliate link. I don't gain anything from it. The only thing I honestly do gain from you using that discount code is knowing that I help save you some additional coins, okay? So, look, that's that. And like I said, this is now concluding the video. Get in rainbow shops. Make sure if you don't find nothing else, you find a CEO VIP, so you could be smelling like a CEO too. I'm gonna put these perfumes away. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video, as I will see you in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.